Welcome to Shiksha Nest. In this video, we'll show you how to join Shiksha Nest as a student quickly and easily using your Gmail account. Step 1. Open your web browser and type shikshanest.com in the address bar. Step 2. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Register drop-down menu at the top. Click it and select Register as Student. Step 3. On the student registration form, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Click on that for the easiest sign-up process. Select your Gmail account and enter your password to sign in. Step 5. After signing in, you'll be taken to the next page where you need to select your role. Choose Student and then click Continue. Step 6. Congratulations, you have successfully joined Shiksha Nest. You will now be redirected to your student dashboard. Step 7. At the top right corner, click on your name. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 8. Click on Edit Profile. Step 9. Here, update your full name, profile picture, mobile number, city, and a little about yourself. When you're done, click Save Changes. That's it. You have successfully created your student profile on shikshanest.com. Now, you can post your learning requirements for free and start your journey to better education.